4.3 is triangle congruency by angle side angle and angle angle side. Now, we had side 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 and side angle side in 4.2. Now we're adding two more to that, angle side angle and angle angle side. So we look at postulate 4.3, which is the first one. That's angle side angle. So again, you have angle here, side, and then an angle here. What do you notice? Well, the side is in the middle of the two angles. Okay, same thing here. There's your angle, there's your side, there's your two angles. So you can say these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle. The last one is angle angle side. Notice where the S is in the name. The S is at the end, so that means the S is not between like it was in angle side angle. Okay, and it says here angle A to angle D, angle B to angle E, and this side to this side. So notice how we have one angle, we have two angle, and we have the non-included side. So we would say this would be angle angle side. Problem 1 is using the angle side angle theorem, which two triangles are congruent by angle side angle. So this is a question. So what I'm looking for is the S in between the two angles. Okay, so if I look at triangle SUV here, okay, I'm going to see that the side is between. So that's a good start. So if I look at this one though, let's look at the third triangle. I'm doing that for a reason. Notice how the side is not between angle T and angle N. It's on the outside. So I can't say angle side angle, but that is not an inclusive side, or included side, so I can't use that one. Well, let's go and look at ONE here. I've got my angle O. I've got this side which is between that and angle E. So these two angles are congruent by angle side angle. So when I name it, it's important. Angle SUV is congruent to triangle. S doesn't have a mark, neither does N, so I'm going to match with N. I went to the 1 mark, so that matches E, and 2 marks matches O by angle side angle. Problem 3 is writing a proof using angle angle side. So they're telling you what they want you to do. So let's do our statement reason again. Statement reason. How do we start every proof? Up, given. So angle M congruent to angle K, and WM parallel to RK. And again, given. Okay, so we need to have an angle and a side in there somewhere. Okay, the easiest thing to do is to get my side, and I see right here WR, this side right here, WR is congruent to WR by reflexive property. Again, it's going to be your best friend. Don't go anywhere without him. Okay, so that's our reflexive property. The key, again, use the given. There's a reason they're giving you that they're parallel. WM parallel to RK. So I'm saying that this line right here is parallel to this line right here, which is cut by this transversal. That looks awfully familiar. Okay, parallel lines cut by transversal, alternate interior angles are congruent. Okay, so I can say that in 4, angle MWR is congruent to angle KRW. Okay, so we have MWR, which is right here, and we have KRW, which is right here, by alternate interior angles are congruent. Okay, so now we have two angles, and we have that side that is not included, so I can go ahead and say triangle WMR is congruent to triangle RKW by angle side. Problem 4 is multiple choice. They want to know if is triangle BIF congruent to triangle UTO. Okay, so they're asking if their two triangles are congruent. Now, they give you B is congruent to U, which is good. I is congruent to T, another good thing. And then they give you BF congruent to OT. But are those corresponding sides? Okay, and the problem being is that notice how OT is closest to the 2 and FB is closest to the 1. those don't match up. You would probably need FI to OT, or you would need BF to UO to be able to say that these are congruent triangles. It doesn't help me that they have that. Okay, so I'd have to say B, no, because FB and OT are not corresponding sides.